Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience and sales. In the top right corner, we have your profile and your messages. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So how you can actually go and add subtitles on Podia. To add subtitles on Podia, you'll need to first create a subtitle using a video editing tool, then upload the subtitle video to your course. So first of all, use a subtitle editor like Clidio, Capwing, or Video.io to add subtitles in your video. These tools allow you to manually enter subtitles and upload subtitle files. Customize the font size, color, and position of your video, to fit your video. Once you've added and edited the subtitle, export the video with the subtitle embed. Log into your Podia account, go to products, where you can go here, go to your courses, and just upload the subtitle video to your course when you enter it. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.